about your timings?
Of course, our typical hours of operation are Monday to Thursday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sunday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Please note that these hours can vary by location, so it's always a good idea to confirm specific store hours online or by phone. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, basically I want to make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Sure. How many people will be dining with you at 7 p.m. tomorrow?
Will be 5 people.
How many people will be... Great news. We have a table available for 5 people at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Could I have your name and email to finalize the reservation?
Yes, my name is Mohammed, and the email is mohammed@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mohammed. Do you have any special requests or dietary needs you'd like us to know about?
It's a birthday party, so yeah, that's it.
You're all set, Mohammed. Your reservation for 5 people at 7 p.m. tomorrow is confirmed. We'll make sure it's a special evening for the birthday celebration. Looking forward to seeing you all.
Thank you so much. Bye. Like you guys just saw, I made a reservation using an AI agent. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're into voice AI chatbots or automating customer calls, you're going to love what we are diving into today. In this video, I will introduce you to VAPI AI. This is an exciting platform that lets you build voice agents that can talk on the phone. Yes, actually like a human, which I just did. Then we'll create a simple calling AI agent of any restaurant receptionist, just like the demo I showed you. So let's get started. First of all, you have to sign up on VAPI AI. It is a simple sign up with your email password. You can sign up with your Google account. Once you got in, you will be having 1,000 free minutes, and it renews every month. So you will be able to use this tool for free when you're in a learning stage. So first of all, you have to go in and click on create assistants. They have to click on a blank template, name your assistant, anything like restaurant receptionist or a dental clinic receptionist, anything like that. So you will be redirected here. Here you have a different options: the model, transcriber, voice, tools, analysis, and advanced. We will be covering all these topics in this video. So first of all, you have to set up model. Model is LLM language. Here you have to give a prompt to the agent, to this tool, so that they can interact. Here you will be you'll write any first message that the agent will coordinate. It is going to be your first message to agent. And then you have to write a system prompt. In this, you have to tell what is the agent going to do. What would be the responsibilities of this AI agent? Like here you say, I defined the role. You are a professional and highly efficient restaurant receptionist at Sushi Shop. Sushi Shop is a Canadian franchise of sushi, it's a modern Japanese dining spot, which is known for the cozy vibes exceptional services. Goal is to help guests with anything they need, especially when it comes to the booking a table. If someone wants to come and make a reservation, then I describe the reservation flow step by step, in which I have created 2 functions, which I will be covering those as well: check availability and book reservation. Check availability we're using with the check availability, and then book reservation. There's another function. I define the timings, which varies because since this restaurant have many branches. It's a franchisee restaurant, so location varies by location. Its timing varies by location. So I defined that as well. Once the time slot is confirmed, the agent will ask their name, email, any special request, and then run a book reservation workflow. This one to book the reservation of the customer. So here you will be writing a system prompt. I will be attaching all the documents, everything in a description down below. You have to select a provider. You have to select an OpenAI, where you can select a Google, Grok, DeepSeek, anything, but OpenAI works good for me. That's why I'm using OpenAI. We'll be using 4.0. That's a recommended model. For the files, I have added the knowledge base. It's just the knowledge base, whatever this restaurant is offering, the menu, the timing, about everything has been mentioned in this sushi knowledge base. It will be shared as well. So about the temperature is used to control the randomness of the output. When you set it higher, you will get more random output. So it is recommended to set it lower, so you don't get a random output or the big outputs from your agent. Then you move to this transcriber. You select the deep ground language. If you're in a country like France or Italy, you can choose your own language, your primary language. Here I'm in Canada, I'll choose English. Model Nova 3. That's really relevant. Then you go to the voice. I choose the voice from the labs voice area. You can choose any languages from here, whatever you feel like. There are a lot of voice agents here, male, female. So I choose area. And for the model, you have to choose 11 turbo v2.5. It works well. Low latency rate and everything. Then tool is the measure. Tool is the main part of this. It helps us to connect VAPI with the Make AI. It tells Make AI that what he has to do and what has to be done. So for the tools, you have tools, basically the functions that you'll be creating in VAPI that will interact with Make. So they have created 2 tools: check availability and book reservations. Here you will go in the tool left corner. So you will see a book reservation. Here you will name a tools and book reservation. Make sure you don't give a space between book and reservation, or you can put an underscore like this one. That will also work, but no space. Other description, that's optional. Not optional though, but just a reservation, book reservation for a guest at a requested time. Party size included, additional request, just a reservation to make it readable for everyone. Async you have to on. Then you have to define the parameters. The parameter for booking a reservation, you will need a name, time, email, notes, and number of people. That way you have to define, and every the data type should be string for whatever you'll be defining the parameters here. And then for the check availability function, will work the same. For the check availability, tool name, description of the reservation time, the requested time is available. Async, turn on parameters here. We will only pass the string time. It is because the agent, the workflow, the make AI will check if that specific time is available. So it will pass. Otherwise, it will suggest more time that we'll be covering in make AI. Server settings, server UL, I'll explain that later as well. So this is it from the VAPI. Let's move into the make AI. So there are two workflows. First is check availability, and second is book reservation. For the check availability, it's as name suggests, it will check the availability if at that specific time which customer requested is there a table available. So we will go to every node here, webhook. It will trigger whatever's coming. It will trigger the data, get the data from the VAPI. So you have to add a web here. You have some webhook, then address this address, copy address to clipboard, go back to VAPI. So here in the server settings, server UI, you have to add this, so that this function will you will be able to connect with the make AI. This will connect this function to make AI. Then here you will be using OpenAI chat models. Here you have to connect your ChatGPT by OpenAI connection. You have to select a create chat completion from here. Everything I will post these workflows in the description as well, so you don't have to create everything. Sorry, just you have to import the blueprint. You just have to connect your OpenAI connection, your calendars, everything, and this is really important. This is really confusing. For if you will be going to implement this at your end, you have to format the data according to the country you are and to the time zone, and then you will be getting. Otherwise, if you will be using my time zone, and if you're living, I'm living in Canada, so if you're living somewhere in Europe or in Asia, you will be getting my time because this is scheduled in my time zone. So you make sure you set according to your own time zone. So you have to connect your own Google Calendar as well, the calendar ID, save. Then it will check for the check availability. First of all, the date will be requested here. It will convert the date. This activity will convert the date, and it will pass to the calendar. The calendar will check if there's an availability or not. If there's availability, there's a router here. If it's available for booking, if the time slot is available, it will directly go to book reservation and book a reservation for you. If no, it will go here, and this workflow will be passed. What is this about? So it will go to the tool variable here, then a calendar. It will show the minimum time and the maximum time, and this will show the alternative. It will convert the time again and find the alternative times here. You will pass the commands to ChatGPT. Your role is to output alternative slots that user can book. You must output results in a JSON form. Do not output any notes or text. So where will be you will see output in a JSON form. And then I will generate a message to the user that the time the user has just been recommended time slot they can book it for you. Your role is to really communicate with time slots of the user. Example output. Unfortunately, your chosen time was booked out. However, we can book it into these three, and the agent of the AI model will suggest a few 2-3 times 9 a.m., 11 a.m. to working whatever your restaurant works in, and whatever's availability. And we'll suggest the time once the customer confirms the time. It will say alternative suggested, and then it will go into here and reserve a booking for the customer. This is it, and this model is very important. And since you guys know that AI has been booming, you can implement and you can offer your services to any restaurant.